How to add promo code on Ticketmaster. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add a promotion code here on Ticketmaster.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This could be done in any type of, like concert or comedy or sports event. It doesn't matter. You can make that promotion code functional in any of these options. So I'm going to continue with this event and I'm going to try to reserve some sets in order to go into the checkout process. Okay, finally I'm in the checkout in the payment process. So here I'm just going to add some extras if I want. And here in the payment section, I can add a new card, pay with Klarna, or even use a promo code. So here is where you must click to type your promo code or your gift card number in order to apply. I'm just going to type random, tap and apply, and that's it. Obviously, this is not correct, but that's how you can add a promo code in Ticketmaster.com. Thanks for watching.